If brows is one of the things that gives you sleepless nights as a makeup artist, then this is a 5 minutes tutorial that will change your brow game. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Please do well to hit the subscription button, give this video a thumbs up, like, comment and share. Thank you so much. The easiest way to achieve a perfect brow is to trace exactly what you have or exactly what your clients have. This way you don't have to do too much work by correcting with a concealer. Just outline the brow top and down with a pencil or with your brow gel, depending on which works better for you. Once your brows are perfectly outlined, go ahead, go to the inner corners of the eyes and give it a light stroke upwards in an upwards direction that works in line with what the natural brows look like using the tip of your pencil. This way it's going to be very light and it's going to be looking natural. You can do this with your pencil or with your angled brush, depending the method of which you're using to line your brow, whether it's a pencil or a brow gel. Then you go ahead and fill the inner corners of the eyes. Make sure that there are no demarcation between the hair and the pencil work. This way you're going to have a flawless and a natural looking brow. Trace it properly and then replicate the same process on the other brow. It is just very simple. As long as you outline your brow very well, outline what you have naturally. Once we're done filling this part of the brow properly, we'll go ahead and replicate the same process on the other brow. Please keep watching. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do well to subscribe to my channel. Also, do not forget to give this video a thumbs up. This way YouTube is going to push it to more audience who are going to need this tutorial. Also comment and share, and do not forget to turn on your post notification so that you get notified each time I drop a new tutorial. Thank you so much. Next, we'll go ahead and correct the brow. And for correcting the brow, we'll be using the Yangabeauty concealer in the shade SMC03. So you want to correct just the brow bone. Please do not go into the inner corners of the eye. You can see what I'm doing. Using an angle brush, you want to take the concealer, swatch it at the back of your hand so that you're not going in with too much product. This way you're going to blend out easily. Also, when doing this, make sure that you're very careful. Hold your client's head with your hands, though you don't need to put all your weight on the hand. This is just going to help you prevent her head from shaking so that the concealer doesn't go into the pencil work. If not, you will have to start using your pencil to go in again and correct. And to me, this can make your work tacky. Once you're done correcting the brow, you go ahead and blend that all out using a blending brush so that it's going to blend in properly into the skin. Make sure that there are no harsh lines anywhere. You can see that correcting this brow is quite easy. That's because we did a very seamless pencil work. And when you do a seamless pencil work, you don't need to take so much time correcting your brow. A few minutes there and you're good to go, heading into the other parts of the makeup. Once that is done, go ahead and set the brow bone with a pressed powder or a loose powder, depending on the one you have. This way, it's going to prevent the concealer from creasing much later. You want to blend that in using a powder shade that is her exact skin tone. So it's going to calm down the two shades lighter concealer that you used on the eye. And here's the final looks, guys. I hope this helped you achieve a perfect brow. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.